Hi guys, welcome to iVoted. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing on how to do the glowing effect in Photoshop. So you don't need to have any special skills to do this. I will just put you through the simple way I actually did this glowing effect on this fox right here, looking at me, this fox. So I also did some couple of others, like something like this. This was the image before, and I turned it to this. So in less than a minute, that's a minute, sorry, in some couple of minutes I will show you on how to do this. Very simple. So let's just, first thing first, you need to get the image. So where I actually got the image, I got the image from Unsplash. So let's just go to my file and get the image. So I just want to get, so this is the image right here. I want to get it and open it. So first thing first, let's just check out the image. Oh my god, so I think the image actually opened already, so I can't just open some. So let me just clear this up. And no, I don't want to save it, so I could actually do it again. So I just want to open up again, and fine, we're in. So here's our image. So we actually want to make this fox actually glow. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go over to our pen tool. Yeah, this is our pen tool over here. So we click on it and we just select the animal. So let's quickly do that right now. So okay, now so we have our animal selected right now. So what you want to do, you want to right click on and choose a make selection. So you actually want to check that and just click on OK. So now we have actually selected the animal right now. So you want to click on this. Now it's actually movable. So this is it. So I'm just gonna click on Ctrl Z because I don't want it to move actually. So now we're gonna click on Ctrl J on your PC for Windows users, but for Mac users you can click on Command J. So I'm just gonna click on Ctrl J. Now what it does is it duplicates that layer I actually selected right now. So now this is it. I have it off. Now this is the layer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on Ctrl G right now to group this. Now so now I have it in a group, and now I'm just gonna click on layer. Fine. So we have it selected, right? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna duplicate that layer again. Now I'm gonna click on Ctrl J. Ctrl J. Yeah. So what happens is I have the layer. I'm gonna head over to my filters and head over to my blur and look for Gaussian blur. So I have Gaussian blur over here. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna put this to about 5. Yeah, I think 5 is cool. So that is 5. Funny enough, so I want to put it off so you could actually spot out the difference. And so what I want to do is I want to head over to my what do I call it? Okay, so I want to put this to screen. Fine. So now you could actually see the blur effect come out, obviously. So but we're not cool with that, right? That's not cool enough. So what we want to do is we actually want to add more blur to this. So let's just go and duplicate this again. So Ctrl J. So fine. Now we're gonna hit on over to or you can just actually let's just go to filter again and look for the blur, Gaussian blur. So I want to add this to 150. So you click on OK, right? And now you wait for it to load up, and fine, you have your stuff already here. So you want to duplicate that again, Ctrl J. So this is actually coming very beautiful. So what you want to do again, want to go to filters again, and you want to just go to blur, right? And Gaussian blur. So you repeat the process over 3 times, but now you're changing it now to 300. I think this is actually going to be cool. So just click on OK, and let's see what we have. And fine, we have something cool, right? So let's just click on Ctrl J. Now this is excellent. It's actually glowing already. So what you want to do is, let me just show you the difference now. This is out and this is our glow image, right? So this is basically what you need to do, but this is not just all. So you actually want to make this actually look as if it's a night, right? So you want to click on the background. Fine. So you actually, or maybe let's just, okay, let's just play with the colors first. So you want to actually play with the colors. So you just click on this and you go to your hue and saturation, and you just click on your hue and saturation, and you want to actually add this check. Click right here and click on colorize. Fine. So now I want to increase my saturation to about 70. I think 70 will be cool. 17. Fine. So now you can actually play around to choose the color you want it to be. Any color you want it to look like. This red, yellow, whatever, green, blah blah blah, blue, purple. Fine. Let's just go with. Okay, let's go with green this time, right? Should we, or should I just go with what I'm gonna have on my thumbnail? Okay, let me go with green. I think you guys are actually seeing green, so let me go for green. So now we have the green, and right now we want to make this background obviously same night, right? Because right now it's just looking as if I'm having a glowing light on another light. Does that make sense? So let's just, so I want to click on the background, but before that, let me just show you what we have right now. This the actual glowing thread of cover color. So we have this, and this is without the glow. Awesome. We glow. So we click on the background, and we just want to glow. Go to this part again and just go to exposure and select exposure, and we just want to reduce a little bit and add some gamma correction to it. And excellent. What do you guys think about this? This is great. Like, this is so wonderful. This is my actual glow effect. Like, this is so awesome, and I can't actually trade this for anything. So this is cool. I don't know what to say anymore. This is without it, without the exposure effect, and now this is with the exposure effect. What do you guys think about this? Isn't this awesome? Very simple. Like, I know I can actually see some edges right here looking like black stuff, whatever. So you can actually just correct that by using your pen tool. Like, before you actually go to this aspect of putting all the glow and blah blah blah, you could actually just use a pen tool and make sure you actually select this carefully and correctly, and it will give you something very superb and sweet, you know, very superb and sweet. So right now, okay, let me just assume right now you actually want to put up some effect right at the bottom here, right now where the light is actually going to have some effect. So you just want to click on the max, and you want to click on your brush tool, and you want to make sure this is actually set to black. So you're going to invert it, and just for to be sure is at black. So I'm going to click on OK, and let's just play with this. Let's play with this a little bit. I think this is gonna be awesome. So let's just play with this a little bit. So fine, we're done. So what you want to do now, right now, you want to click on this part and duplicate. So Ctrl J. So fine, now we've clicked on Ctrl J. So what you want to do next is to actually bring this down below the group you have and change it to let's see. What do you guys think we should change it to? What do you think? So should we just put it to screen? Is that cool enough? Okay, let's have it to screen. So what you want to do right now, you want to click on the mask right here and invert it. So just press Ctrl I. And fine, now you've inverted it, right? So now let's just use this. Now you want to actually select a brush tool and just invert this right now to white and make sure it's actually to white. So fine, I have it to white already. So I'm just gonna paint over this baby boy here, and go. We have excellent stuff right here. So just what an awesome stuff. Like, this is so glorious. I don't know what you would think, but I think I want to have some along this black shade. So just make it some more. Great. This is awesome. This is great. Like, what do you think about this? This is something I can actually trade for anything. So I'm sure this video was helpful. If you like this video, just kindly hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video, because I know you like this video right now. So see you when next we see you.